Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a special guest over here, but we are doing an ASMR slime. We're going to be playing Roblox later. That's my special guest cousin, Gianna, and that is not the girls, Kylie and Naya. Right now, they're having a stressful time.
We slept in the trampoline today.
Oh yeah, we slept in a trampoline. We might do it again tonight, guys.
If she's able to stay the night.
Yeah, if I'm staying the night with them. I will record a whole video of us doing a night routine. But right now I'm just playing with some slime. I wanted to show you guys this. After this, I might just do an ASMR. Oh, sorry guys. Alright guys, sorry about that. The camera just falls. But yeah guys, I got a new camera. It's not really good, guys. I'm like one of those like YouTubers that are... Oh, look how glossy it is on camera. It looks more glossy on camera than person. Oh yeah, open the blind. Whoa. Why does it look like that on camera? That's a juice, guys. So, I didn't get my hair done today.
It's flavored water.
It's flavored Kool-Aid. So you guys are just going to be basically talking about like my life and what's happening today. So basically, what happened last night, I'm going to talk about last night. So last night we were thinking, oh, should I sleep in the trampoline store? Because we got in the trampoline yesterday. And it was really cool. We were blind because like my uncle was like, oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. Because my uncle was like, you guys are so blind. And we looked over and there's a big trampoline. So after that, we went to his game, blah, 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 met some new friends. Then we come back and it's midnight. We'd be like, should we sleep in the trampoline? Let me hold on, guys. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. I'm the baddest YouTuber. Alright. No, that's blocking the camera. Alright, so. Yeah, and then after that, we decided to sleep there at night.
Well, we were supposed to go in, but then Johnny was like...
Yeah, that's if you don't know who Johnny is.
Mini Starbucks in Tiny Town.
But after that, we were like, but we don't want to go in. He's like, y'all can stay, but if it gets too cold, you have to come in. And it went. So then we went to sleep at turn that off. We went to sleep at 11, and then we wake up at 5. And then she starts getting so hyper because I gave her a lollipop. I should never give her any candy. She starts laughing out of nowhere, jumping on me, laughing, and blah, blah, blah. So I was like, be quiet.
I wasn't jumping on you.
You weren't. It wasn't technically jumping. It was kind of. But, like, it was really weird last night. So then we went to sleep, woke up in the morning. We didn't want to get up, but I had to use the restroom so bad. So she was like, 15 more minutes. Stop. Okay. I'll play with some clay later, guys. But, yeah, that's what happened.
You probably shouldn't play with clay.
It's hard.
That's messy, yeah.
It's hard.
Wait, I want to show you guys something. Hold this slime real quick. Okay, so you got this little worm, dude.
Oh, yeah, go check out her YouTube channel.
And then, ready?
Tell them your YouTube channel name.
Oh, yeah, I'll look it up real quick. So, oh my God, it's going crazy. Okay. Don't mind me and my other cousin.
No, just tell them.
No, I want to look it up so I can show them. Okay. This is backwards for you guys. You want to look up Gianna's row. I'm sorry. I'm having. Hold on. Just watch her put a slime while I look it up.
Yeah.
But you want to look
at Gianna's Roblox world.
Yeah.
That's it.
I want to show you guys what it looks like.
And she's not the one with 2K followers. She's the one with 2 followers, okay?
Okay. So let me show you real quick. Will you move this on real quick? Yeah. Okay. So,
Please don't drop it.
okay, so this is not me. No. Let me show you who I am. Just scroll down. You want to keep scrolling down? And then you're going to keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And then, I don't know if I'm on this one. Oh, there I am. I am the one with 2 subscribers and 9 videos. Just be nice and click this button. Just Click it, please. Alright.
Yes, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Anytime I get notified, you'll know what. So you will be notified every time I post a video.
Oh my gosh, it's falling off the table.
And no. But guys, ooh.
I don't think there's. Oh, sorry. There's still plastic on it.
People like these satisfying slime videos. I'm not a big fan, but I like playing with slime.
Her mom doesn't allow it though.
My mom doesn't allow it when I drop it on the carpet and stuff like that. If you drop it on the carpet, guys, there's some TikTok videos. I'll probably put them in the description. If they're not there, then I was too lazy to put them in there. There's like ways to get slime out of carpet, and I'll show you guys that later. Because I can get slime out of your carpet.
I'm gonna watch my videos.
Yeah.
Videos. I only have 9 videos. I'm gonna watch. This is my favorite video right now.
I think I had 12 videos. I have a lot of views though. A lot of people watch my videos, but they don't like them. So like, subscribe, and turn off it before I get copyrighted. So like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and give me some views. I have a lot of views on my break-in story video. It was ridiculous, and I didn't get any likes. Did y'all sign up yet? Y'all need to sign up and subscribe to me, okay? Okay. But anyways, if you see me on TikTok, go follow me. I'm almost at 100K.
I'm gonna watch my video while I was playing banana.
Yeah, she likes to watch her videos. I love, this is the video, guys, I love, and it's so funny. So it's the video of me and Kylie went to the gym. We were like block bodies. That was hilarious. She's playing banana. You guys, we're going to be playing Roblox videos later, so stay tuned.
This is my video. I'm just gonna hide it. Oh, my favorite video is when I actually edited it.
She edits her videos, guys.
Yeah.
I will edit this video if you want me to. So if you want me to edit this video, give this video to how much likes? 10 or 11?
10.
Alright, 10 likes, and I'll edit one of my videos. And I'll do whatever
I'm
you
gonna
want.
watch the one where me and my sister.
And comment down below, what would you like me to do? Because I never did a video like this in a long time. Alright, can you stop now? So I can finish this video and we can finish our Roblox video. So guys, what game should we play? We were thinking like Tower of Hell or Gorilla, Banana, a story, or Escape Jail. I need to go to jail. I might be putting myself on face cam. Maybe not, maybe so, I don't know. But yeah. I'm just gonna play with my slime and she's gonna watch her videos. It's not weird to watch your own videos. It's YouTube. Some YouTubers watch their own videos. Some Biggs and Zai did once. So we need to stop talking about Biggs and Zai before I get no views at all, or no likes and no subscribers. Oh my god, but shout out to you, my big brother that's in California. Shout out to you guys who subscribed. I have 4 subscribers. Don't make fun of me, guys. I barely started YouTube, and I barely made any videos. Look, my hair. I just woke up in the morning, got dressed and stuff, so, don't mind my hair. But, Mom, if you subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell. Guys, I only, you know who I asked for to subscribe? Only my big brother, Jason. That's it. My big brother, Jalen, would not subscribe, so I didn't ask him. And plus, he's like, you will never get subscribers, and you don't have a YouTube channel. Because when I was little, I used to, fake make YouTube. But now, look at me now. I'm making YouTube videos, and I'm going to be rich. Guys, I make $20 every day. But it's not like, oh, here's your $20. Not just a plain $20. A stack of $20. That's it. Is that money? Yes, it's money. Yes, it's money. Yes, it's Monty. Alright, this is not my house though. This is Gianna's room, so it's a mess right now, don't mind it. But guys, if you want me to start doing Barbie videos, I have to buy some because like
Wait, I
those
need to
things
show
are
them.
creepy. Those things are kind of creepy.
I need to show them the end of mine. Hold on, let me.
Why is it funny?
No. Yeah.
Alright. Ooh, look at this. Ooh.
Oh, this guy plays Roblox?
For real? Oh, look at this. Ooh. So messy. Can you get some activator? So I can
No.
squish it.
No.
Fine, I'm gonna add activator.
No, you're not.
So yeah.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna add clay. Clay will kind of melt this slime probably. If you want to make butter slime, go to subscribe to Will It Slime, and she'll show you how to make butter slime. Will It Slime is a really good slime show. I learned how to make slime from there, and she really helps you make slime. If it doesn't work, then don't try it. If you watch her like this video.
Don't mind my embarrassment.
Yeah, she plays by herself. She never played with nobody. Should we both record a video?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. We're gonna post it on the
Yeah, I gotta post this video. Guys, this video is about to end a little bit. Sorry it's so short, but our live stream is about to get on right now. Because I just started a live countdown. So if you did not see it, then either your computer is just messing up or the thing is just not working. But I started a live countdown. I'm supposed to get in there and like, what time is it?
11:22.
Alright, I'm supposed to get in there in like 10 minutes, I guess. So I need to hurry up and end this video so I can get this live stream done. Or
Well, let me log in.
you know you can get your old account back, right? Your old account, right? Are you getting your old account?
Babe. Verify. I have to verify first, okay?
What is verify? I'm just kidding.
Make sure I'm not a robot.
I know that. I was just asking. What?
Yeah.
Are you getting your own account?
Yeah, it's not my old account. It's a new account I have.
New account. You're a noob. No.
Yes, I love you, noob. It might not work because
No.
I hate it. Oh my gosh. Google Chrome. Ew, it's not open thing.
I play on a computer personally. So on the what was it called? The video where I was at the gym with the girls, I was using my computer. It was really easy, guys.
Light bulb games. Oh, I'm gonna go to the avatar shop and dress myself up, even though it's not gonna work.
Do you have Robux?
No.
Wow.
Okay. Ooh, that's a lemon.
There's some pretty cute stuff on there though.
Okay.
So guys, if you don't see, I'm like getting this. Oh guys, we watched a really sad dog movie. It was so sad. I was literally busted in tears.
I'm gonna choose that.
Try it on.
I can't.
I'm gonna buy that here. Guys, but if you're wondering how I got Robux, I'll make a video. And it's because I make the 20 stack of dollars. But I give it to half of my group, you know. I'm gonna send
Roblox.
Papa Raquel, if you're watching this video, I'll send you 20 big bucks if you like this video and comment on here. I mean, I'm sorry. Papa Raquel, if you comment and like, I'll give you
I want to put 2 eggs, but like I can't.
Not, I'll give you like a stack of $20, okay? Papa Raquel. Shout out to you, because you're my favorite. Shout out to you, Walker. Shout out to Lev. Shout out to Sophie.
What about me?
Oh, Jophie. Shout out to Jophie.
You're not. Oh gosh. I'm hated now.
Shout out to Gianna, I guess.
I'm not hated.
Why that? You're right here. You can give a shout out to yourself. I'm just kidding. That's rude. You can take this hard thing out.
Martin.
It's hard, Phil.
I'll just put it up right there.
Okay. Guys, she doesn't really care. If you guys be mean to us, I'll make you leave the game. Like, I've been in so many... We're not going to talk about the fights before I get demonetized.
Okay.
Because I almost lost my Roblox account because of that. And I don't want to lose my YouTube one. But anyways, guys, I got to do my video in 1 minute. So, bye. I'm sorry it had to end like this, but bye.